Hello and welcome to this guide for external partners on accessing a Microsoft team in Camden. To get started, we'll need a smartphone, the Microsoft Authenticator app, and a modern web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Take a moment to pause the video now and download the Authenticator app by using the QR code on screen. Great! Now that you're ready to go, let's dive in by opening the web browser. After being invited to the team by your Camden partner, you should receive an email. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folders. Once you have found the email, simply click on the invitation link to get started. The link will redirect you to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Now, type in your work email and password. If you are signed into your browser with this email, this may have already been done for you, as shown on screen. After signing in, you will need to verify your email with a unique code. To do this, click Send Code to have it sent to your email. Head back to your inbox and find the email. Copy the code and return to the Microsoft sign-in screen. Paste the code into the text box and click Sign In. Next, you'll see a permissions request box, as we need your permission to process some basic data about your account. Click Accept to continue. For enhanced security, we require some extra information from external partners. Click Next and you'll see this is where the Microsoft Authenticator app comes in. On the screen, you'll be prompted to download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you didn't do this at the start, please do so now. Once you have it installed, click Next. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device and follow the instructions on your computer. If the Microsoft Authenticator app prompts you to allow notifications, please do so. In the Authenticator app, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen and select Use QR Code. You may have been prompted to do this after allowing notifications. On your computer, click Next to get your QR code. Point your smartphone's camera at the QR code on your screen and follow any prompts in the Authenticator app. Click Next whenever you're ready. To test everything is working, you will get a notification from the Authenticator app on your smartphone. Type in the number shown on your computer screen and approve the request in the Authenticator app on your phone. Once you have approved the request in the Authenticator app, you will see an alert on your computer. Click Next to continue. Excellent! You have now securely set up using Microsoft Authenticator app. Click Done to continue. Now that we're ready to sign into Microsoft Teams itself, remember you must only use the web browser to access a team in Camden. So make sure you ignore any prompts to open the desktop app when you see this screen. Make sure to click Use the web app instead. You will now need to sign into the team. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, choose the one that was invited to the team to sign in with. You may need to approve an Authenticator notification like you did before. Once signed in, you will now see the terms of use for working with Camden. Click the arrow to the right to see the full document. Once you have read the document, scroll to the bottom and click Accept. Great! You have now signed into a Microsoft team in Camden. Now, you'll be able to access files, download, chat to your colleagues and more. Remember, if you're having trouble accessing the team, make sure you're using a web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and not the desktop app, as this is the most common blocker to accessing the team. Feel free to refer to this video anytime or share with others. Thanks for watching.